It really sucks when your house catches on fire. Luckily, the fire crews usually get there in time, so it's just a little bit toasty. But the smell tends to linger and your cooking starts to taste like a Texas barbecue, and it's kind of like living in a smokehouse. So how do you get rid of the smell without tearing your whole house down? I'm Tashia Potter, and today we're going to talk about our final element, fire. Fire is one of the 5 elements to clean. Here at Coulson Ice Blast, we make industrial cleaning machines that blast with real ice. The same ice that you put in your drink is crushed up and shot out at high speeds. This technology can be used to clean smoke damage off of wood, so you can clean up the charred support beams of the house and rebuild. When cleaning wood, the icebreaker flare nozzle should be used. This is the gentlest nozzle that we have. Little pins strategically placed inside the nozzle break up the particles of ice and slow them down. These small, slower moving particles provide enough power to remove the ash from the charred wood, but are gentle enough not to damage the wood beneath. So this concludes our 5 Elements to Clean series. We've broken down the millions of diverse applications into 5 simple categories, represented by the elements of earth, metal, water, wood, and fire. Within each category, we focused on the most common problems that we tend to see in industrial cleaning. The earth episode focused on petrochemical cleaning, metal focused on deburring and paint removal, water on marine applications, wood on pulp and paper, and fire on smoke damage. But each customer and industry is different, and we're always looking and finding new ways and exciting applications, as experts in an industry come to us to solve problems that have previously stumped other technologies. Check out our website, www.coulsoniceblas.com, for more information, videos, white papers, and pictures of each of these applications and more. I'll see you there.